Hello everyone, this is Sresh from SkyMom and today I am going to explain you about tables. Okay, so tables are used whenever you are writing the schedules of opening, the joinery details and all that of the plan. Okay, so shortkey for table is PB enter. Okay, so after you click on TB enter, very first thing here you are going to set the insert option as start from an empty table, because I am going to insert an empty table and I am going to enter the data. Okay, so next after that here you are going to do the columns and row settings. Okay, so here I am going to set the number of columns over here. Okay, so number of columns, like for example if I need 3 number of columns, so I'll give the number of columns as 3 and number of data rows. Okay, data rows in the sense except the header and the title, the number of data you're going to write, you're going to set it only as over here. Okay, but before setting this columns and row setting, very first thing here you're going to set the cell style over here, cell style of the table. So here you can see in the preview it is been set as first I need as title, next I need as header, then all will be remaining, all will be data. Okay, so here if I don't need the title directly, if I need the header, here what I can do is I can set the first row cell style as header directly and the second row cell style as data, and the other row cell styles will all be data itself. Okay, so even you can set it like this also, but if I need the title to be coming first, then the header, then the data, then you are going to set it as first as title, then as header and then as data. Okay, so next here you will have to give the number of rows and number of number of columns, and here you are going to give the number of data rows. So here you will be getting 8 number of data rows except the header and the title. Okay, so next here you can give the column width and you can set the row height and just click on OK and place the table as your requirement. Okay, so next after you place the table, just here click on close text editor so that you can just watch whether the table you have placed is correct or no. Okay, so next after placing the table, next here I'll have to write the text in the table over here. Okay, so if you want to write the text in the table, here what I am going to do is I am just going to double click on the particular box where I am going to write the text. Okay, so here like for example I am going to write it as title. Okay, like this. So next after that I can click on close text editor. Next here you can write down all the headers which all are required. So like this you can write down the header. Next same way even you can write down the data again, like this. Okay, so now here, now just imagine I have given here as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 number of data rows. Okay, but actually after placing the table I needed one extra row to be inserted over here. Okay, like instead of again deleting the table and again inserting a new table, here what you can do is directly here you can insert an extra row. Okay, so how you are going to do that is just click on the row or the column for next inserting. Okay, so like for example if you are going to insert it down, so here I'll be selecting this row over here. So next here you can see here you having the option of insert a row above. Insert a row above means here the row will be inserted above this row. So just here I'll just write down as data and I click on this and I click on insert a row above. So a row is being inserted above. Okay, if you click on insert row below, so the row will get added below. Okay, so if you want to delete that particular row, you can click on delete row, that row will get deleted. Okay, same way next here even you can click on insert left column, insert to right, or means like for example if you want right side then you can click on insert right, if you want left side you can click on insert left, or if you want to delete the column you can even click on delete column, the column will get deleted. Okay, with that now just imagine sometimes if you are writing here a serial number, here you will be writing as 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so the space will be consumed very less for the serial number. Okay, so you don't need such a long column for the such a long row for the serial number. Okay, so what you can do is you can select the table. So here you can see, here you are getting some grid points over here, grid points. Okay, so what you can do is this grid point is used to move the table from one place to another. So you can see the table can be moved like this. Okay, same way here, even if you select this grid point, here you can adjust the width of the column. Okay, so if you want to stretch the table from this side, it will help you to stretch a table, and same way even this will help you to stretch a table both the directions. Okay, same way next here comes with, now just example, if you want to split the table, like for example, if there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 number of data rows over here. So here you need 5 and the other you need 4 this side. So what you can do is you can go on decreasing this by clicking on this grid point. So you can see it is moving that side like this. Okay, so if you want, you can make these adjustments like this. Okay, so this is again help to increase the length of it, and you can adjust it equally. Okay, now just you can see here the text whatever I have placed here, it is coming in middle, and here also it's coming in middle, but here it is coming above. You can just see here, whenever I am writing the text in the data, it is coming above. Okay, so again and again what I'll have to do is, again I have to select this here. If you want, even you can change the text height, you can change the text font, and these all the like for example bold, italic, underline, and you can change the text font and all that, you can do it over here. Okay, later even you can give the justification, that is like for example, if I want to make it as middle center, I can make it as middle center also. Okay, but here what I'll have to do is, I'll have to do this thing again and again. Like for example, if I am changing 1, so you can see here again and again I'll have to do it for all the data rows. Okay, but instead of that, what I can do is I can even set the table style. Okay, so as I told you how to set the text style, same way even you can set the table style also. Okay, so for that, here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to annotate, and here I'm having the table option. Okay, so here I'm going to click on table style. Okay, so whether you're going to create a new table or you're going to modify the same one. Okay, so like for example, I'm going to modify the same one, so I'll click on modify. So very first thing, the cell style is being set as data over here. Okay, so here whatever the changes I'm going to do, I'm going to do it for the datas now. Okay, so here if you'll go to general, so here it will ask you for the alignment. So you can see the alignment is set as top center, so only all the data whatever I'm writing, it is coming at top. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll drop down this and I'll keep it as middle center. Okay, same way next here I can go to text, even I can set the text style over here. So next here again, if you want to set the text style, here again I can click on the source icon, which will open the text style dialog box, and here again click on new, give the name as data. Why? Because I'm going to modify this for data. Okay, click on OK. Next here you can set the text style whichever required. So again the text style, like for example if I need it as bold, italic, what all the changes, and here also you can set the height. Like for example, whenever I'm writing the data, the height should be specified as 6. Okay, next click on apply, set current and click on close. So next here the text style is being set as data. Okay, same way next here I'll select it as header. Okay, so now whatever the changes I'm going to make it for header. Same way next here go to general, so you can see the alignment is set as middle center, so that is correct. So next here I'll go to text. So text, again I'm going to set the text style over here. So again I'll click on new and I'll set it as header. Click on OK. Next here again I'll give the font name whichever required for me. So next here again you can set the font style. Next here height I will give it as 7. Click on apply, set current, close. Okay, so next the height has been set. So next here same way, next here I'll select it as title. So next here again I'll make it as bottom center. Next here I'll go to text, I'll set the text style. Again here I'll give it as title. I click on OK, and again I'll select it as text name. I'll give the height as 8. Again I click on apply, set current, close. Okay, so everything is being set over here, the text style and everything. So next here just click on OK, click on set current and click on close. So you can see here automatically what all the changes I had made is being set over here automatically by itself. So you can just check it out over here. If I'm double clicking on this title one, so you can see the text height is being set as 8, the text font name is being set as Times New Roman, the same thing what all I had set over there. Okay, so this is how you'll be creating tables and modifying tables in AutoCAD. Thank you. To subscribe the page you can like it.